I say, you there.
Who? Me?
Yes, you. What are you doing?
I'm about to cut this bit of threaded bar.
And you're holding it in that? You'll mar the jaws of your woodworker's vice, you blithering idiot.
Well, I don't have a metalworking vice.
Yes, you do. There's the one Steve gave you almost a year ago, and you've done bugger all with it. I think you should restore it.
Restore might be a bit strong, but I'll have a look at it.
Well done, old bean.
What did you call me?
We interrupt this transmission to bring you a statement on behalf of Phil Makes Things. During the making of the video entitled Vintage Vice Ruination, (Restoration), it transpired that Phil failed to press record when filming the segment where the Vice was getting a new coat of paint. When asked for comment, Phil, headmaker, chief technical officer, social media coordinator and public relations expert said, "Fuck it, shit happens. I'm not going to strip the paint off and do it again for the camera. There is only forward. Now get that microphone out of my face, I'm busy. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe." We now pick up the action after the black paint has been applied and allowed to cure for several hours.
Well, that worked well.